Hello everybody and welcome back to another lesson. Today you'll learn 5 ways to say leave me alone in Brazilian Portuguese. So let's start with number 1, which is the most common, or maybe the most similar to leave me alone. Me deixa em paz. That literally means leave me in peace. Get out and leave me in peace. So, me deixa em paz. Repeat. Me deixa em paz. Me deixa, for example, that only means leave me. Not meaning like get out of my house and leave my house. For example, you're just talking to your husband, your wife, and you just say, just leave me, you know? Me deixa. Alright? Number 3, sai pra lá. Sai pra lá. That means go over there. Like, get away from me. Sai pra lá. Good. Number 4, se toca. Se liga. This literally means, dude, like, hello, get out. Like, this would literally means touch yourself or turn on, like, pay attention to what you're doing, like, get out, I don't want to talk to you. This is, I don't know, maybe you're at a party, somebody tries to grab your arm, which is, you know, just a cultural note here. In Brazil, carnival, stuff like that, people are very touchy, you know. Some guys, a lot of guys actually do that. They're gonna come and touch you and like grab your arm. Women don't like it, even here, but they do it. Like, they grab your arm, hey honey, let me talk to you, whatever. And you can say this, se toca, se liga. It's kind of like being rude to the person, but the person is being rude to you, grabbing your arm, so, but it's kind of like you're being like, dude, get out, you know, get away from me, or something like that. But you have all the rights since the person's grabbing your arm, you know what I mean? But I can teach you some other ways to say things like that as well. So, se toca, se liga. Or somebody's really saying stuff that isn't good to you, and you just say like, dude, se toca, se liga, get out. And the last one is me esquece. Repeat, me esquece. This means forget me, you know, like just get away, forget that I exist. So let's repeat this one. Me deixa em paz. Me deixa em paz. Me deixa. Me deixa. Sai pra lá. Sai pra lá. Se toca. Se liga. Me esquece. Me esquece. Alright. You can also say something like, stop bothering me if you want to. So you can say, para, that means stop, de encher, right? That means basically, para de encher. It comes from para de encher o saco, não enche o saco. That means, literally, that would be like, don't blow the bag or something like that. But basically mean, you know, don't bust my balls. Basically, that's what it means. So, para de encher, não enche o saco, não enche, né? You can also say this, não enche, não me enche. Always mean, não me enche, não enche o saco, para de encher o saco. But that would be more like, stop bothering me and stuff like that. Alright, so for you to understand. Me deixa, para de encher o saco, não enche, não me enche. Alright, so you can practice these 5 expressions, and always remember this one is the most, like, I would say neutral. So, you know, you can just say me deixa em paz or me deixa, but all of them mean that you're kind of like annoyed with somebody. So there's no good way to say, hey, you know, you just go like, dude, get out. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like it, just leave your comment down below, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and leave your comment. I already said that, and like this video and share with people that want to learn Portuguese maybe. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next class. I'm sorry, I'm like almost coughing here because I have something in my throat, but thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye bye.